we are going to make this video for to how to manage this site, okay, and how we can add the different type of product, and how to set up different type of post, automated blog post, all these things we are going to show you. So I am the developer, so I am going to making this. First of all, if you want to add more and more product with Zone, so first you just log into your admin panel, then log into your Zone section. You can go to your direct import extension. Then if you are using new, then you just click here to get a Zone direct import extension. This is a Chrome extension, that Ozone extension. You can, once you install this type of icon will be show here. So once you install, then just generate a click and just reauthorize and then go to save button. Once it's done, then just import product. Just click on the import product. Once you click import product, the site will be redirect to import product. Just remember this key, or you store any places this safely, and just click on unlock your AWS key import. Okay. Now what you do? Just click here which type of product you need to import. I'm going to import solar panel. So just type here the keyword and search product. You can see. Sorry, actually I have added some wrong keyword. Your product is like a drawing related product. So first go to here. Mm, I, ear care product. Okay, we are going to import ear care. Just click here and search. You can see it's already imported, but if you are not import, you just it will be showing you uh, add to import. Okay. Mm, you can select one by one, or you can select here, then go to, sorry, first in because it's add some old product. Okay, add product. You can check which product is not relevant to this category, so you can remove easily. Okay. Now you can select which category you need to import. I'm going to select ear care, and then it's 5. Then select import. So once you select import button, it will be start importing, but it will take some time. So don't worry, just wait little bit of time. Once you wait, it will be import all the product. Okay. And one more thing, this is very unique and it's a very useful because you don't need to update anything. It's already automatically update all these things, so you don't need to do any manually because it's already update every stock price, everything will be import, and if everything is everything will uh, do by API key. Okay. So I have also set up your configuration. You can cross check also your Amazon affiliated ID because you have already shared that screenshot. So 1 minute. You can check. I have already added your Amazon affiliate, so anyone can purchase any product. So it will automatically redirect with your ID. Okay. So this is the video to how to you add the product. Okay. And another everything you know already. I think you know all these things. Blog post, you can add blog post manually. Here the blog post section. So if you want to add a more blog post, you can simple add and post, and automatically already blog post is working. I'm just going to show you. It's working. Health product already working automatically. You don't need to do it automatically. Import the product. I have already set up. So your work is you just focus on social media marketing and you just share your product or your store in different social media. So that easily you can get the more traffic. Okay, I have already set up the auto blogging so that it will be help you to drive some traffic. And also my suggestion, just set up your Google Webmaster. I have already set up. So with my ID, but if you want to I set up your ID, so you can provide me your ID. So I'll set up Google Analytics, Google Webmaster, being Webmaster, so that that will be help you to rank on Google also. Okay, thank you for this video, and uh, thank you for taking our service. So I'm the developer. Okay, you are talking with my owner. So thank you for bye bye.